I just went outside and did clap for the NHS. I'm trying to hold it down here a bit. Time to set up. Day 4, and you've probably guessed it, it's a DIY day. The plan for today is to integrate the vlog with the DIY. So I've also got a couple of questions from family members for today's episode, which I'm going to kind of add in as I go around. The first one was from Jenna. How do we make sure that we are staying mentally healthy? So my advice, and I'm no expert, so this is just things that I do, and the things that I know that help me. So my first one, and it was one that I actually thought of almost straight away, energy. Changing your energy and pace throughout the day. It's very easy to start the day lethargically and then continue that throughout the day. You need a point in the day where you kickstart it again. But I don't necessarily mean going for a run. Giving yourself a task to be done in a certain time frame rather than just going through the motion. And this kind of links to my second answer, which is music. Play music that you enjoy, that will get you up and, you know, dancing about, or that will get you, you know, loudly, you know, when you give it that. Talk to people in different ways. So we've got video calling, we've got normal audio calling, we've obviously got messaging. Hopefully they're a little bit helpful. Home workout, one of the best things I ever bought. This, especially in a flat, for storage space. Retractable ladder, or I think they call it a telescopic. And this, because I'm sure, this one was my nephew's question.
Is it harder working from home than at the office now?
I've never found working from home a hard task. I might find it harder now. I have to routinely work from home rather than the office. I don't find it harder at the moment. I will let you know if I find it harder in the future. Are you finding it harder working from home rather than at school? Because I know you're still working. This is my niece.
Great, do you like the videos that we sent you?
Which is all to do with them reenacting a little bit of a film. Tends to be Disney films. I don't even know all the songs that they sing. And yes, I'm loving them. There's one thing left that every single person needs when they're about to start a DIY job. That's a cup of tea. Now, we're ready to get to work. Next, Aaron's question, my younger brother, who asked me if I could give my 16-year-old self some advice to improve my future, what would it be? Alright, I'll just do this one as a basic and then I'll do a bit more of a philosophical answer. So my first one would be save more and invest more. What I mean by invest in myself some more.
Philosophical.
Okay, it's okay to change who you are. It's okay to change the things you want to do, where you want to go and where you want to be. You're gonna have many different roads in life to take, and it's okay to take different roads at different times. You haven't got to just stick on one path. One of the best things about undercoats is you can just slap it on. This one was from Ollie, and I'm going to read this one. For Simply Create, what new technology or advances in technology would you like to see that would benefit your business? Something that helps, almost like a live stream. Yeah, a live stream of data from camera to computer that saves in a particular way. So it's almost like a bit of AI has got to be in here, which is why I don't think the technology exists in an event. For example, with this vlog, I would basically then, once I've finished, I'll just go on my computer, everything's organised on my computer, into folders, into shots that I want, and I can just start that editing process. And it would be about time saving and organisation, so a bit of both. It would save me time, but also it would make me organised, which would save me time. It knows the shots that I want to put in a certain order. I don't know how that is, but that's the new bit of technology that would really help me. Another one from my dad, which is about blue sky thinking. What does it really mean? When I lie down and I look up in the sky, I don't know what I'm meant to be thinking. I think blue sky thinking is definitely a term that's overused and really means very little, actually. It's trying to say, think beyond what you normally would. It's about actually getting out ideas. That's blue. That's not even blue sky thinking. That's like, I don't know what that is. Up in the sky thinking. Throw as many ideas up in the sky as you possibly can. The problem is people go for that one idea rather than many ideas. I think that kind of answers it. It's a bit of a strange question anyway, which I think he was going for. I would say you want to be thinking of lots of things, and you also want to tell anybody who keeps using blue sky thinking to, and just say, let's come up with lots of ideas. Let's idea generate. I actually have got a frog in my throat. Whew. I just went outside and did clap for the NHS. There were quite a good number of people out clapping, cheering, got in their cars and did their horns. Something that crap actually has to happen to us to come together and do things like that, and I think we should do it more. We should be thankful more, should be grateful more. Hands down, the NHS deserve that. Every single person working on that front line, doing what they're doing, to realise or to bring it home that these people are doing this day in, day out. Forget that they're doing it now when we need them and when this shit hits the fan, but they're doing it anyway. And they're doing it with all the people that are not well anyway, on top of the virus. Thank you to everyone at NHS. Thank you for everyone down my road for just, I don't know, restoring some belief in humanity, I guess.